Hello everyone, welcome back to the garden house build project. So today we are going to start doing the internal battening now that we've closed up the roof, put the window in, put the door in as well. I'm using this laser here to get our battens straight, and we're going to space the battens 400 millimeters apart. The good thing about doing this way, at least for this wall anyway, is as you can see we've already laid out the rafters all 400 mil apart, so we're just gonna fit these battens directly underneath the ceiling joists, and that way we'll get it all straight. So what I tend to do is I'll put a screw into the batten and into the wall plate at the top as well, so that again gives some more strength with tying the roof down to the wall. Then I'll put some screws and wall plugs into the wall as well, so you can see the screws at the top there. Put one at the top and then use the laser level and get the bottom straight, and then drill some holes and some wall plugs and screws in. So we've got about 50 battens or so to fit in this room, and once it's all battened up, then we can get the insulation fitted inside, and then we can plasterboard. So we're going to be moving quite quickly from now on. As you can see, we're just putting the plugs in, put some screws straight through, and screw that into the concrete. this is what it's looking like now. Almost done, just about 3 battens or so short, and we've got to put some battens underneath the window here. There's going to be a big heater on the window here, so we've got to space the battens or put some battens in there so that we can catch the brackets for the heater as well. We've also got 2 rows of bricks to put on top of that internal wall as well, just to close the top of that wall out, which we can do from the other side. Otherwise, that's it for today. So guys, hope you like the video and the progress, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.